First, ensure the vehicle is off and the keys are removed for safety. Open the tailgate to access the rear area. Locate the license plate light housing above the rear bumper. Using a trim tool or flathead screwdriver, carefully pry open the tailgate's inner liner. Reveal the screws securing the light assembly. Unscrew the housing to detach it. Gently pull out the bulb socket. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the socket. Insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it's the correct type, typically a 194 or 168 wedge-base bulb. If using an LED replacement, note the polarity. The cathode is marked by a flat edge or corner cut. Reattach the bulb socket to the housing. Screw the housing back into place, being careful not to over-tighten to avoid cracking the plastic. Before reassembling the tailgate liner, turn on the vehicle's lights to verify the new bulb is working correctly. If it doesn't illuminate, double-check the bulb's polarity or that it's fully seated in the socket. Once verified, reassemble the tailgate liner.